Today I will talk about my final project of computer graphics, the course CSI 4341. My final project is a Billiards game. One is a typical pool game of 16 ball, the other is a bumper Billiards. First I will introduce the buttons of my software. The first is the strike cue ball. If you want to hit the other balls, you can click on that buttons like that. And then if you want to reset other balls to the original place, you can click on the reset buttons like that. Then we move to the motion part. In the motion part, we have two camera overviews. One is the shooting overview. We can change the camera parameters to change what we see. The camera overview is that we follow the fishing of the cue ball. You can rotate to decide where we want to hit, and we can also change the force to decide how much force we apply to the cue ball, and then we strike it. And if the ball hits the pocket, the cue ball hits the pocket, it's a wrong hit, so I will return all the ball's positions and states to the original, to the previous ones. And then we have two choices, the regular pool game and the bumper pool game. In the bumper pool games, you can do everything you do in the regular ones. You can also rotate and hit. Also, we can choose which ball we want to control, we want to hit, like that. Then I want to talk about what I have done to improve the games. My implementations are all about the texture mapping of all the things, ball movement, camera overview, and so on. For the texture mapping, I focus on the whole room, the shadows of the balls, the stick, the pool tables, and the walls, the lamps, and the floor. For the ball movement, I deal with the rolling effect, ball and table collision, ball and ball collision, and the hitting of the ball and pockets, like that. When I hit the ball, the images on the balls will rotate, and also I will hit the tables and the pockets. If I hit the pockets, it's a wrong hit, so I will change everything to the previous positions. And then if I hit the tables, it will also change the route of the balls. And this is about the ball movement. And most geometry I created is using sphere, cube, and cylinder primitives. And the ball shadows are done by drawing black discs below them. Table holes are also done by drawing black discs on the table. For the bumper blips, for the bumper blips, each player has 5 balls. The table has 2 pockets and 12 bumpers. It also has all the rules for that game. For example, if a player sinks one of his own balls in their opponent's pocket, the opponent may drop 2 balls into their pocket, like that. We can see that the red balls already disappear 2 balls. And the second rule is that if the balls hit the opponent's balls, I will return everything to the previous positions because it's a wrong hit. So if I hit the other balls, I will return everything to the previous state, like that, and play passes to your opponent. So then we pass to the red balls. So this is the bumper part, and when the first player hit his all balls to the pocket, he will win. And also I have a special strike. This one, if you click on the special strike and hit the ball, it have turn all the balls to a lot of particles, and all the balls will disappear. And it's a very beautiful scenery. I think it's like fireworks, and I think it's very enjoyable. I hope you will enjoy my games. That's my final project. Thanks. That's it.